Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Guess what? Today is March the 13th, 2021, and here we are. We are going to give you all a stock price prediction for Disney. We sent out a community post to all of our subscribers, and we wanted you to choose. We wanted you all to tell us which stock price prediction y'all wanted to see, and as you all can tell, barely came out close between Airbnb and Disney. 43% for Airbnb, and then 45% for Disney. So guess what? We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Disney stock. Now, before I break into that, before I go into that, if today's your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate the content, definitely before you head on out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. While everyone is trying to hype up the market in stocks of which ones to buy, we're going to give you all the play. We're going to tell you whether or not if it is a buy, and if so, how high to expect the price to go to where you can exit out the market and take the bag. It's just that simple. We're not here to really convince anyone. We're just simply here to watch the trap. Now, the trap is the one who literally controls the market. He is in this market to make sure that he continues to continue to grab the bag from us, and it's vice versa. We go into the market to make sure we try to grab the bag from him. This is not a friendly environment. Everyone is trying to get one up above the next person. So for us, we need to make sure we stay ahead of him. We need to make sure that we watch for a lot of his tricks in order so we can escape and move around him so we can capitalize on price. So like I said, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Now let's break this down real quick for Disney. All right. You all can see on the price chart here that we've already did a prediction all the way back in September 2020 of expecting the market in Disney to go higher in price. Now, initially, that did not occur. The market in Disney, in fact, went down to around $120 for like the next 7 weeks. So yeah, it's been a while after we did our prediction in the market in Disney to see higher price movement. And you know what? You can actually check out that video today if you wanted to on our first YouTube channel. We've been at this for a while, so this is nothing new for us in predicting price movement. So head on over to our first channel, HueFin News. It is in our Disney playlist there, and see what we talked about. All right, so again, we've already done the market. We already did a prediction back in September of expecting the market in Disney to go higher in price. And let's just say that you stayed into the market for what? 6 months, right? In 6 months, the market in Disney went from $130 all the way up there to around $200 in 6 months. So what's the point of people telling you to keep your money tied up in these stocks for the next 5 to 10 years? Take a look at this. The market in Disney has already increased to 46, almost 47%. That is excellent. So why not come into the market and take out the profit and leave the store and then go ahead and find another play? So what we're going to do, excellent job, 46, 47% right there in 6 months. That is excellent. That is great opportunity cost of your money right there. So let's go ahead and take that out. And one of the big things I want to talk to you about in Disney that many people are not going to explain to you is that this market is trading in unfamiliar territory, meaning that it is trading around areas that we have never seen the price come in Disney. Look at that. There's nothing here in the background of this chart that we can utilize to gauge, okay, where is the trap set up next to where he's going to bring down the market price? There's nowhere. So actually you are flying blind in the market in Disney while it trades at these unforeseen areas in price. Just keep that in mind as I do this prediction. So let's bring this into the market real quick. And I wanted to show you that the trend into the market in Disney is still intact, right? There was only a small spat to where the market in Disney broke the trend. But for the most part, we've been seeing the market in Disney go higher in price. So the trend is still entrenched. It is still there. It is still applicable, and it is still strong, right? Now, the question is, do we expect the market to continue to shoot high in price, or do we expect it to trade sideways, right? Are you expecting it to do this, to where it's going to test that ascending line again. Let's see. So real quick, looking at this on a minute time frame, I mean, there's not a lot of price action going on to the market in Disney. I will give you that based off the volume on this 90-minute price chart that the market definitely hit some selling right there around $200. But we've been maintaining that though. It has been holding that price in Disney. What about on an hourly time frame? Looking at the market on an hourly time frame, there has definitely been some weakness here into the market in Disney. 3-hour chart, see the same thing. There's not that much emphasis really going on into the market in Disney. I will give you that so many of these hedge funds has, Disney shares in their allocation and their portfolios, that what is going on into the market in Disney actually reflects that there is selling going on right here in this vicinity. Okay. Now we hit an all-time high into the market in Disney right there on the 8th of March. And ever since then, you guys can tell that we've been seeing the price drop in Disney, right? So it's around 203, $204 into the market in Disney to see that weakness, right? But on the 2-day time frame, the market in Disney is still giving us some strength. So depending on your time preference, the market in Disney is still garnering momentum to see higher price, which is a very positive thing to see. On the 5-day time frame, it's mixed. It could go either way. We've seen the market in Disney come on this particular 5-day price bar, which started on February the 17th. The market has just been stagnated. We haven't been seeing a lot of price action. So we need to keep our eyes open on the market the further out in time we go, right? So it looks as if the market in Disney is going to try to give us this on a weekly time frame. Expect to see that here as we get closer and closer to this ascending line, and then the resumption to higher price can continue, right? We've definitely seen our bout of volume on this last completed weekly bar, and the spread of that particular weekly bar is extremely tight compared to the volume that we've seen on the week of February the 22nd. It's a wider spread there, smaller spread here. So yeah, there's selling going on into the market in Disney. So would the price of $197.16 be the perfect area to come in and purchase Disney at the moment? I would say no, not right now. We need to see more indication of market strength coming to Disney, right? And we do have a bottom. I wanted to show you all the bottom in Disney, right? We already established support here, which is around 193, but I can see the market in Disney coming all the way back down to like 190, and we may see the market trap come in and prop up the particular stock, or we can see it drop all the way back to 180, maybe 183, give or take, right? So what do you need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to see into the market in Disney before we say, yeah, this particular market definitely wants to go high in price? Okay. Well, we need to see more strength, plain and simple, and we're not seeing it yet. Okay. So what we're going to do in the market in Disney is that we're going to play the weakness, but I want to establish some areas of support in the market in Disney, that we need to be watchful for to actually see the market come into fruition. Okay. So let's do this. This area right here, $192. I'll say 193 is where the market can actually come and prop itself up. It's about 2% away from where the market closed on Friday. So definitely we need to be watchful of that particular price into the market in Disney. But I wanted to tell you that overwhelmingly, the market in Disney is still giving us a lot of strength. Okay. Over the last two-month price bars, even though we have 48 days on the current one, we're still seeing market emphasis that Disney is going to shoot higher in price because the trend is still in play. All right. So literally we just need to time out to where we can expect an entry into this particular share. And as of this moment, I'm still going to play the weakness into the market in Disney. So we got like 193, which is about 2.25% movement to the downside. in Disney that we can actually see. But definitely I can see the market trying to come all the way back down to like $190.75. We cannot go no lower than this area here, because if we break, 192, $184 to the downside, this ascending line is going to be tested. All right, so what we're going to do in this particular video, we're going to state that we're looking for the market at Disney to go lower in price, right? We got our eyes focusing on $193, then $190.50, no lower than 184. That's it. Okay, so we're going to play some of this weakness into the market in Disney. Not a lot, but generally, if you're looking for an entry point to come to the market in Disney, again, we're going to wait until we see more strength come into the market, which we're not necessarily seeing that yet on a daily time frame. Like I told you, there's selling going on while Disney is trading around $200. So we need to see if the trap is going to continue to buy up the selling, or is he selling the market trying to drop the price. So let us know, what do you all think into the market in Disney? Higher, lower? Where are we headed? Plain and simple. All right, so this is our prediction. What do you all expect to see into the market in Disney? I'm going to extend it out just a little bit more, and leave us your stock price prediction for Disney with a comment in the comment section. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.